Portable grills come in all prices and fuel types, says Wesley Wright, the CEO of Cookout News. You'll want to pick which fuel source you want first. The cheapest portable grills will be small charcoal kettles, while propane or pellet-fueled models are usually more expensive. My pick would be to go with a propane-powered grill. It will be the quickest and easiest to use, which you usually want when you're cooking away from home. Other considerations to make a note of are the grill's surface area. You'll want a larger one if you're cooking for larger groups, whether or not it has wheels, so you can move it around easily, especially necessary with heavier grills, and how compactly it folds down. Handy if you're short on storage space. Now that you're ready to hit the road, read on to find the perfect.
Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Starting at number 1, Blackstone Tabletop Griddle. Flat-top grills, or griddles as they are otherwise known, are great for cooking a lot of food and a lot of different varieties at once, as they usually have a large, flat surface that provides more versatility. For instance, you can even cook fried eggs and pancakes on them, something you definitely cannot do on a typical portable grill. The Blackstone Tabletop Griddle provides a whopping 339 square inches of cooking space, enough for 30 hot dogs or 12 burgers, while maintaining a compact size that's perfect for on-the-go use. It offers 24,000 BTUs of heat for thorough, quick cooking, and 2 H-shaped burners for even heat distribution. Each burner has its own adjustable heat control knob and is independently operated and controlled, meaning you can cover low heat requirements on one side of the grill and higher heats on the other. The burners even have their own built-in igniters. As the best portable grill with a flat top, this model has a durable cold-rolled steel that can take its fair share of spatulas and tongs, knocking it without getting damaged. The grill sports a heat-resistant handle, so you can move it around safely, and rubber feet that are height adjustable. Number 2. Coleman Fold & Go Propane Grill. The Coleman Fold & Go Propane Grill is definitely the best portable grill for both an active hiking trip or a laid-back car camping trip, as it is only 13 inches in length. If you're on foot or traveling around with public transport, this little grill can comfortably fit in a camping backpack and, at just 9.5 pounds, won't cause much strain. It even has a built-in carry handle so you can carry it around your campsite. No bigger than your average toaster, this unit runs on propane, adding a further pound to your luggage, but providing 3.5 hours of cooking time with just a 16.4-ounce tank, and lights up quickly and effortlessly, thanks to the InstaStart push-button ignition. Under the cooking surface sits a horseshoe-shaped burner that offers even heat to the whole grill, but there's no thermometer or temperature control. It has a removable grease tray that's easy to clean, and both the grates and the grease tray can be cleaned in the dishwasher once you're back at home. If you'd rather not clean a grease tray while camping, you can always purchase a grill mat and cut it to size to fit in the grill tray, then either dispose of it when you're done, or, if it's reusable, wipe it with a damp napkin to clean. Number 3. Weber Q2400 Electric Grill. With its sleek look, the Weber Q2400 Electric Grill provides convenience, portability, and a practically effortless grilling experience. It offers 1,560 watts of cooking power, which is controllable via a single knob under the side carrying handle, and an aluminum-lined lid and bowl to efficiently insulate the grill. It has a 280 square inch cooking space and porcelain-coated cast iron grates for easy cleanup and better heat retention. This portable grill comes fully assembled, so all you have to do is plug it in and get to grilling dinner. It comes with a 6-foot grounded cord which works well if you're on a patio or a balcony with an outdoor outlet. Otherwise, for grilling further out, you can use an outdoor extension cord. If you're taking this baby on the road, you'll need to bring a portable power source. The durable body is made from cast aluminum, which just needs a simple wipe down to get clean. There's also a removable, disposable drip pan to catch grease and food debris for even easier cleanup. While this model doesn't come with a stand, it's ready to use on any flat surface or tabletop, but you can purchase the compatible Weber Q folding cart separate. Number 4. Char-Griller 2-in-1 Portable Charcoal Grill. While it doesn't fold down flat like some of the other portable grills on our list, The Char-Griller portable charcoal grill only takes up 20 by 20 inches of space in a trunk or storage area and has handles on the side for easy portability. It's made from heavy-duty powder-coated steel that retains heat excellently, providing that delicious smoky charcoal flavor you'd get at your favorite steakhouse. This compact grill will get plenty of use even when you're not on the road. If you already have another Char-Griller full-size charcoal grill, you can use this portable one as a side fire box for smoking. Alternatively, if you're only cooking for a small group, you don't need to fire up your main grill, as this little model can grill up to 10 burgers at a time, thanks to its 250 square inch cooking space. There are adjustable dual dampers on the side so you can control the temperature, and a removable pan collects the ashes, so you can effortlessly dump them when you're done. Although this affordable portable grill is made from heavy-duty materials and has a rather heavy look, it only weighs 38 pounds, so can easily. Number 5. Napoleon TravelQ Pro 285 Portable Gas Grill. It might be expensive, but the Napoleon TravelQ Pro 285 is large enough that it could be used as your full-time backyard grill. This gas grill has 2 stainless steel burners that offer up to 12,000 BTUs for both direct and indirect grilling, and 2 porcelain-coated cast iron grids that provide even cooking and great heat retention, as well as distinctive sear marks on your food. The grids are removable for easy cleaning, and the large cooking area of 285 square inches is big enough to cook 17 burgers at once. It has an internal temperature gauge that can give you an accurate temperature reading. The grill has small inbuilt legs that can be placed on any hard and stable surface, but there's also the option to purchase the grill and foldable stand together. It comes assembled, so all you have to do is connect it to your propane source and start barbecuing. This high-end grill has durable stainless steel hardware components that are designed to last a long time, and the high-top cast aluminum lid is weatherproof too. Number 6. Coleman Road Trip 285 Portable Stand-Up Propane Grill. The Coleman Road Trip 285 Portable Stand-Up Propane Grill is our overall pick for the best portable grill because it can accommodate a variety of needs. If you've got only a small outdoor space for grilling, this grill folds up to the size of a carry-on suitcase for compact storage. If you want to go on a road trip, you can easily put it in the trunk with plenty of room to spare. While it's not the most lightweight grill on our list, it's still light enough for most people to lift in and out of a trunk. As far as features go, it's definitely not lacking. It offers up to 20,000 BTUs of grilling power and has 3 adjustable burners, so you can customize your cooking. It offers ample grilling space at 285 square inches, so no one will be waiting around for their burgers. There's a built-in thermometer on the inside of its lid, so you can monitor the temperature, and a simple push-button ignition. No matches or lighter needed. It requires a 16.4-ounce propane tank which will last for around 2 hours, but if that's not enough, the tanks are small enough, weighing just 1 pound, that you could easily pack a backup. There's also an option with a grill hose and adapter if you need it. If style is of the essence, this portable grill comes in 5 colorways, including red, orange, and green. What's more,